Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. This is a Mazda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. You have Michelin tires here. Tread great on those tires. Taking a look inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back, dual point exhaust, rear backup camera, and this CX-5 is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. Splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and of course your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.